Donna? Thought she was on the Jefferson job.
Apparently not.
All right, what do we got?
Looks like a serious case of mold here.
88.5% humidity in the southwest corner.
It looks pretty local to that area.
We took some samples. It's getting tested by the lab now. We're pretty sure it's stachybotrys.
And that's not all. They had a restoration company come out last year, said they did the works, gave them the whole spiel, and boy, did they pay for it.
The mold got to him. He's gone.
This case has really molded into something unexpected. Question is, was it premeditated or spur of the moment?
Next week on Warrior Restoration Investigation Unit, find out what happens when you let mold run its dangerous course.